A Staigh A Muigh le Norma Martin agus Christine MacLeod. Ciúndar an dúlach nuair a choinneas tú ghlach. Turn the page when you hear the bell ring. It's going to be another busy day at the nursery. Dia sin dul a dhéanú an dú, asks Miss Burns, the teacher. Ha sin dul a chóchgadach, replies Maddie. Ha mi dul a dhéanú bonnach, says Callum. Féime sin fluúd im siúcar is Spania, Miss Burns tells the children. Mesciad cónach, dórs gan theache. Callum tells Maddie. Mrs. Harris, the nursery teacher, remembers something important. Could they the mavin, she says. The scones are ready now. Apid falag ma, says Mrs. Harris. Bí feclach, ha sin té. Na lush guhain. Miss Burns warns Callum. Ha shop blasta, says Maddie. Rachel and Ian are at another table. Ha sin a dianu dioch. Ha sin a clechig mesin agus yogurt. Rachel tells Mrs. Harris. A bhír go leor agad, Mrs. Harris asks Ian. Ha cús agamsa, he replies. The other children are playing a game with ships. Finlay asks Ailey. Co fi triant buia hagad. She counts up. 1, 2, 3. Cad vil an cercal derach? Holly asks Michael. Seo he replies. Co fiad gearna goram hagad? Ailey asks Holly. She counts up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cad vil a cheart gearna oanya? Michael asks Finlay. Seo replies Finlay. What are the children doing now? Ha sin dolach luche ceol, says Ian. Ha mi a dianu fuam le drume, says Ailey. A bhfuil si bheith céisteach, asks Mrs. Burns. Éisteamh, a bhfuil sin a clointin Ailey an drume, asks Mrs. Harris. Ha mi a clointin Ailey, replies Michael. Ach a níl mi a clointin Ian. It's a sunny afternoon, so everyone goes out to play in the garden. Sgoil-àraich, says Callum, who's hiding behind a bush. Holly says, ha mi a strape, and Michael says, ha mishe a lame. Three of the others are having a race. Ha mishe roi lua, says Ailey. Finlay says, ha mi a slutag na karst. And Rachel says, ha mishe pútag a char. Ian and Mary are playing with a ball. Sat an baul, Miss Burns tells Ian. Glach ge a vadi, Mrs. Harris tells Maddie. Sat e dash, Ian tells Maddie. Rachel, Maddie, Callum and Michael go to do some work at the flower bed. Ha sinne cúth shiel, explains Rachel to the others. Ha na shian an bdia, says Maddie. Ha na lusin a fas arst, says Michael. Miss Burns asks them how the plants they planted last year are doing. Ham fersha more, Michael tells her. Ham fersha na sma, says Callum. Ach ham fersha na slugga, says Rachel. At the end of the day, the children sit in a circle on the grass. De reinche van you? Miss Burns asks him. Rein me bonnich, replies Callum. Va mische cluch ceol, says Ailey. Reinche 4 va, Mrs. Harris tells them all.